Khoresh de Karafs. Celery stew. A main dish from Iran. Serves 2. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Brown the onion in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a Dutch oven over medium to high heat. Add chicken squares and brown. Step 2. When the chicken has lost its pink color, add turmeric, salt, pepper, dried lemon, and 2 cups water, or until the water barely covers the chicken. Bring the chicken to a mild boil. Afterwards, add tomato paste and reduce
After
the chicken has been cooking for 40 minutes in a 10-inch frying while pan. Stirring occasionally.
Brown the celery in 2
Add more
tablespoons
water if the
vegetable
liquid
oil.
from the stew doesn't
If you
cover
are
at
not
least
using
half
a
of the
non-stick
meat. pan, you may have to add a little more oil. Keep the
Step
heat on
4.
high until the oil
When the
is
celery
hot.
is a little browned,
Afterwards,
remove it
turn
with a
the heat
slotted
down to
spoon and
medium
place it
and stir
directly into the
often.
chicken stew.
Step 5. Immediately add the parsley and mint and sauté over medium heat. If you are not using a non-stick pan, you may have to add more oil. If you are using a non-stick pan, stir herb mixture.
Step
Some
6.
of it will look very dry.
If you haven't already
That's
done
okay.
so, add
Just
the
stir it
celery.
in with the moistened
Then
part.
add approximately
It should
2 cups
become
of
moist
water
very
and bring
quickly.
to a boil.
If it
The
doesn't,
water should
add just a
almost,
drop of
but not
vegetable
quite.
oil. Stir almost constantly until the
Step
herbs
7.
seem almost burnt. Cover the chicken
Then
and
add the
celery
herb
mixture to the
Taste.
stew. If
you
you've
need
cooked the
to,
herbs to
add more
perfection,
lemon,
they will
salt, or
sizzle as you
pepper.
add them to the stew. If they don't, just cook them about 15 minutes longer. Step 8. Cook for about 30 minutes after adding herb mixture in the celery. You and NBSP cannot overcook or undercook the stew at this point, but it tastes best if you let the herb mixture cook into the chicken. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.